I've been through my fair share of submersible water pumps, and trust me, you don't want to waste your money on the wrong one. I bought and tested these top contenders so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive deep into these pumps and find the right fit for your needs. Product number 1, Agiman Pool Cover Pump. When I first unboxed the Agiman Pool Cover Pump, I was impressed by its sturdy build and vibrant green color. This pump is designed specifically for above-ground pools and can pump a whopping 850 gallons per hour. I was curious to see how it performed in real-world conditions, so I put it to the test after a heavy rain. I set it up on my pool cover, connected the 16-foot drainage hose, and plugged it in. The 25-foot power cord was a game changer, allowing me to keep a safe distance from the water. Almost immediately, the pump roared to life, and I could see the water level dropping steadily. I loved how the built-in temperature control prevented any dry burning, which is often a concern with pumps. Its waterproof rating of IPX8 gave me peace of mind, knowing it could withstand challenging weather. Pros include its rapid drainage speed, sturdy ABS construction, and compatibility with various hose sizes. However, keep in mind that it's primarily designed for above-ground pools, so if you have an in-ground setup, it may not be the best fit. Additionally, while it's efficient, it could be a tad noisy when operating at full capacity. So, why should you buy the Agiman Pool Cover Pump? If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and easy-to-use solution for your pool cover, this pump is definitely worth considering. It's affordable and offers great features, making it a solid choice for pool owners who want to maintain their investment without breaking the bank. Product number 2, Tankless Water Heater Flushing Kit. I stumbled upon the tankless water heater flushing kit while researching ways to maintain my tankless water heater. This kit is a lifesaver. It comes with a 1/6 HP submersible sump pump, 2 adapters, and a 3-gallon pail. The idea is simple. You can easily flush your water heater to extend its life and maintain efficiency. The first time I used it, I was blown away by how straightforward the process was. The kit included everything I needed, and the ergonomic bucket lid opener made life easier, especially when dealing with tight lids. The 1/6 HP pump efficiently moved water, and I appreciated the thermal overload protection. It made me feel safer during use. Plus, the pump could handle a maximum flow of 1,100 gallons per hour, making the flushing process quick and efficient. One of the pros is the all-in-one kit, which saves you time and potential headaches from sourcing separate components. However, it's worth noting that the vinegar and biodegradable cleaning agents aren't included, so you'll need to grab those separately. Another downside is the pump's noise. It's not overly loud, but it does have a presence. In summary, if you own a tankless water heater, this flushing kit is a fantastic investment. It simplifies maintenance and can significantly prolong the life of your heater, which ultimately saves you money in the long run. For anyone looking to keep their heater in top shape without fussing over complex setups, this kit is definitely a must-have. Product number 3, Superior Pump 91250. When I first laid eyes on the Superior Pump 91250, I was drawn to its robust design. This 1/4 HP utility pump is compact but powerful, moving up to 1,800 gallons per hour. I decided to test it in my basement, where water tends to accumulate during heavy rains. Setting it up was a breeze. The 10-foot cord was long enough to reach my outlet, and the removable suction screen meant I didn't have to worry about clogging from debris. It lifted water up to a staggering 25 feet, which is impressive for a pump of its size. I noticed it was built with tough thermoplastic construction, ensuring durability. The pros of this pump include its high capacity, solid construction, and ease of use. However, one downside is that it can struggle with larger solids since it only handles up to 1/8 inch. This could be a concern if you plan to use it for more demanding applications. So why should you consider the Superior Pump 91250? If you need a reliable, efficient utility pump for your home, this is a solid choice. It's particularly great for basements or any area prone to flooding. For its price point, you get a robust pump that can handle most residential tasks without breaking a sweat.
Product number 4, Wayne Sump Pump. The Wayne Sump Pump caught my attention for its impressive specs. It can pump up to 5,490 gallons per hour. I have a basement that tends to flood, especially during heavy rains, so I was eager to see if this pump could handle the job. Its cast iron and stainless steel construction promise durability, which I always look for in such products. Upon installation, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to set up. It's designed for indoor use and employs a top suction design, which minimizes clogging and enhances efficiency. The pump ran quietly and effectively, clearing out water rapidly. I could see it was built with a corrosion-resistant motor housing, which gave me confidence that it would last for years to come. On the pros side, it's powerful, durable, and surprisingly quiet. The only con I found was that it's not meant for outdoor use, so if you're looking for a pump to use in your yard, this might not be the one. I also noticed that it's a bit heavier than some other options, which could be a consideration if you plan to move it around frequently. In conclusion, the Wayne Sump Pump is a reliable powerhouse for anyone needing a sump pump for indoor use. Its performance is impressive and the build quality is top-notch. If you want peace of mind during heavy rains or snowmelt, investing in this pump is a wise decision.
Product number 5, Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate. The Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate is one of those pumps that promises reliability, and after using it, I can confidently say it lives up to the hype. With a 1/3 HP motor, it's designed for serious jobs, and I was eager to test its capabilities in my basement. The pump features an automatic float switch that activates when water levels rise, taking the hassle out of manual operation. Setting it up was straightforward, and the robust construction was immediately apparent. The cast iron switch case and plastic base ensure it can withstand tough conditions, and the non-clogging vortex impeller design means I don't have to worry about debris causing issues. During operation, it was efficient and effective, keeping my basement dry without any fuss. Pros of the Zoeller M53 include its automatic activation, durable materials, and solid performance. However, it is on the heavier side, which might be a consideration if you need to move it frequently. Additionally, while it's designed for durability, the price point is slightly higher compared to entry-level pumps. So why invest in the Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate? If you're serious about protecting your basement from flooding and want a pump that you can rely on for years, this is an excellent choice. With its powerful motor and durable construction, it's built to last, making it a wise investment for any homeowner. After testing these 5 submersible water pumps, it's clear that there's a great option for every need and budget. Whether you're looking for something for your pool, basement, or general utility, these pumps deliver impressive performance. Choose wisely and you'll have a reliable partner for all your water removal needs.